Hey guys, today we got a Cab High Ranch Sierra model. It's the 07 to 13 Chevy GMC trucks with the 6.5 foot bed. Dark blue in color. This one's got a little bit of paint issues on it. Kind of see some chips in the paint there, chips in the paint there. Mostly what we're going to be looking at here is a lot of clear coat peel on the top. So you can kind of see through there. Have a little bit of a scratch right there. Front side looks good down through here. At the bottom edge, we've got some chips and some scratches on the very bottom edge. Probably was taken off, set on the ground. That's typically what happens when they get set on the ground. People take them off their trucks and set them down and don't protect the edge. Some chips there. A little bit of a scratch and chips on that edge as well. Half side sliders on the side. Picture window front. Let's have a chip right there. A scratch there. Let's have a little bit of a paint mark right there. A couple chip right there. Get down here, it looks good. There's a chip right on the bottom edge. Front usually doesn't get a lot of paint chips on them because obviously it's protected from the cab that's in front of it. This side we've got paint, clear coat peeling on this side as well. Goes out into the center of the cap on the roof. A little bit of a, I'm not sure what that is, a little mark. A little bit of a scuff right there. A couple chips right there. Nice, pretty good scratch. Going right into the ranch logo. The bottom edge on this side isn't so bad. A couple small chips in the paint through there. A couple, 3 or 4 right there. And we got a pretty good chip right there on the edge. This side wasn't too bad. Front edge looks nice. Half side sliders on this side as well. Double T-handle locking rear door. See the clear coat peel here on this, on the back side here also. Open the door up. Just kind of bare fiberglass on the inside. Screens have some cuts in them, some holes in the screens there. Another one right there. Not horribly big holes in them. Screen on this side looks pretty good actually. Not seeing any holes on this side. The screen's in good shape. Serial number. I can't see, it's upside down. Anyways, there it is. There it is. They are, I'm sorry, Ranch Sierra Series Cab High Fiberglass. Fits the 2007 to 2013 Chevy GMC trucks with a 6.5 foot bed. Dark blue in color. Below is a link to this unit on our website. You can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is. Purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up online. That all can be done through that link there below. There's also a link to our website in general. So if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, lift kits, what have you, those can all be purchased there. as well. Also, if you're looking for something specific for your truck, you've got a truck and you want a cap to fit that truck, and you've been kind of keeping an eye on it, if you subscribe below, you will be able to see as our product gets uploaded. We upload inventory to our website and YouTube as it comes in, and that way you'll get first notification of inventory as it comes in, as we upload product. As with all our truck caps, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.